Alright, new inventory here. Unbelievably rare. This is a special built 2012 GMC Savana 3500 one-ton van with a Duramax 6.6 diesel handicap wheelchair conversion. This is a clean Carfax, no rust, 73,000 original miles, one owner, dealer service truck, immaculate shape all the way around. Nobody has one like this anywhere. Gorgeous inside and out, very fresh, non-smoker. I mean, this thing is mint all the way around. Give you the full tour. I'll point out any flaws that I can find. It's got leather interior, rear power folding bench seat bed. The previous owner babied this van. It is like new inside and out, runs and drives perfectly. It's got Michelin tires. They look new. These are the best tires you can get for this particular van. These are Michelin Agilis tires. It's like a commercial grade tire that runs and drives excellent. We'll give you the full tour. It has a side entry Raycon S-Series lift. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. We buy and sell handicap vans, wheelchair vans, conversion vans. That's what we do. We've been in business 47 years. We're happy to help at any time. We sell new and used vans, and we do service them as well. So we serviced this van when it came in. The previous owner had a compartment built into the sidewall here that has manual ramps just in case the wheelchair lift didn't work for some reason. You got your TV, DVD, all kinds of power stations everywhere. Full high top. It does have the door cutouts here at the doorway entry. Hardcore rubber floor. Does have tie downs here. Leather interior. Extremely nice and clean van. 73,000 miles. No warning lights on. The van's running right now, as you can see. Just runs excellent. Everything in here is very fresh. Got all your remotes for your TV. There's a bunch of extra parts that go along with the van. These are ramps that you can put on the van if you need to use them. They're safely secured right in here in the sidewall, which is amazing. This is a power folding bench seat bed. The cold air in the back here freezes you out. A lot of times the dual air in these vans does not get that cold. This one gets ice cold in the back. It's got your tie down points here and your tie downs that go along with the van. The wheelchair lift is working and functioning. I will show you how that works. Simple. It has a handheld pendant. Truck has no rust whatsoever. Look at the frame. Gorgeous. All the way around. Paint on the roof is perfect. I can hear that Duramax humming. It does have heated seats, power seats. Does have a secondary brake controller. Don't hesitate to give us a call, 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Been in business 47 years. We buy and sell brand new vans. We have customers all over the world. We can ship this van anywhere in the world. Just give us a call. We're happy to help. We accept any type of trade-ins. Any specific questions, we are more than happy to help. There is extra gallons of DEF here that goes with it. You got all your manuals for the wheelchair lift. This van has extra keys. It has an extra jack set up. It has everything here. The previous owner was very meticulous. Comes with some extra parts too. Brand new in the box. The owner was just prepared every time he went out, it seems like. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. You could call or text us to that number. We are happy to help at any time. We can ship this bad boy anywhere in the world. Any trade-ins, just let us know. More than happy to help. Look at that. Thing is mint. Absolutely mint. There's not another one like it anywhere. Very, very, very minor wear and tear for the year and mileage. Got your handheld pendant here. Mint, got your door cutouts, 1-ton van, diesel. Let me show you under the hood. Give us a call, 954-561-2499, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Again, we buy and sell new and used vans. We have certified techs at the shop that go over and look at every single vehicle we get in before we sell it. Look at this thing. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Not a speck of rust anywhere. The thing is mint shape. Feel free to reach out anytime.